Good day everyone, my name is JERT B CUEVAS, BSMB3 Student Alpha. Today I will be discussing to you the age word problem, mixture problem, and the distance, rate, and time problem. First is the age word problem. We have here a problem. Mark is 12 years older than Vince. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. So the question here is, how old will Vince be after in 10 years? So here we have our given here, the C equals D equals 12. That is our given. And then first thing you do is to add 13 plus 10 is equals to 23. However, it's unclear how this is relevant, so let's focus on the equation. So here we have C minus 5 plus D minus 5 is equals to 28. Since C is equals to D equals 12, you're simply substituting this value gives the D plus 12 minus 5 plus D minus 5 is equals to 28. And then next step is you're going to add 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 is equals to 14, which does not equal to the answer here, 28. So something might be incorrect here. So what we are going to do, you just add this one, D plus 12 minus 5 plus D minus 5 is equals to 28. The next is adding this 2D plus 2 is equals to 28, so the same answer. Next step is subtracting, so 2D plus 2 minus 2 is equals to 28. So subtract 28 into 2, so here the answer is 26. To get the final answer is we are going to do dividing this one into 2. Divide 2. And then the answer here is 13. To get the final answer is by adding this 13 to 10. So 13 plus 10 is equals to 23. So Vince will be 23 years old after 10 years. So that is our final answer on this problem. So our next problem here is the mixture problem. We have here a problem. A student of OLT adds 40 liters of water to 20 liters of 18% alcohol solution. What is the new concentration of the alcohol solution? So to solve this problem, we can calculate the new concentration of alcohol in the solution. So step 1, calculate the amount of alcohol in the original solution. By calculating this, just need to do is to add the 18% alcohol and its volume 20 liters. Then amount of the alcohol is 18%, and then you just multiply into 20, and then step 2, add the 40 liters of water to the solution. Adding 40 liters of water increases the total volume to 20 plus 40 is equals to 60 liters. And then next, step 3, calculate the new concentration. The amount of alcohol remains the same, 3.6 liters, because no alcohol was added or removed. The new concentration is the amount of alcohol divided by into the total volume times 100 is equals to 3.6 times 100 is equals to 6%. So this is the answer, 6%. The new concentration of the alcohol solution is 6%. So here, this is our last problem, the distance, rate, and time problem. We have an example here. If Vince travel at an average speed of 40 mph going to school, it takes him 2 hours to make the return trip home traveling at an average speed that is 20 mph, faster than his morning commute. How long does it take Vince to drive to school? By solving this problem, we are using the distance formula. The distance equals rate times time. So let's calculate step by step. So step 1, calculate the distance from Vince's home to school. For the return trip, Vince travel at an average speed of 40 mph. So we're gonna add 40 mph plus 20 mph is equals to 60 mph, and it takes 2 hours. Using the distance formula, we're gonna use this formula to get the distance from Vince's home to school. Distance equals rate times time. So our rate here is 20 mph times time, 2 hours, is equals to 60. And then we're gonna multiply into 2, so the answer will be 120 miles. So 120 miles is the distance from Vince's home to school. And then we're gonna get, or we're gonna calculate the time it takes Vince to drive to school. So that is step 2. On the morning trip to school, Vince travel at 40 mph. So using the formula, times equals distance divided by rate. So we are going to do here is to multiply 60 into 2. So the answer is 120 miles. And then next is to divide the distance into this 40 mph. So the answer will be 3. So the answer here is 3 hours to drive to school. So Vince takes 3 hours to drive to school. And that's all, and thank you.